Today I'm going to show you how I incorporate Reign Sole into my favorite summer salsa. So I have about 7 diced tomatoes, a jalapeno and 1 garlic clove, both very finely minced, about a half a cup of cilantro, a 1/3 cup of diced onion. For seasonings, I have about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of both cumin and chili powder. And for the liquid, we have about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So we're gonna add it all in. We'll start with the Reign Sole. Let's add the cilantro. It's gonna be nice and colorful. Jalapeno, garlic, the onion. Let's add the seasonings and the lime juice. Now let's give it a stir. Let's give it a try. The Reign Sole adds a perfect amount of sweetness to pull all the flavors together.